Hey guys, Joshua here, and today we're going to be unboxing this humongous box from ASUS. Let's get this started. Oh, this is actually a... get it down. So this is actually a suitcase. It's a very nice suitcase with covering over it, and we're just going to take it off. So what was inside the box was this suitcase with the ASUS logo, Republic of Gamers sign on the top, and yeah, it's actually a proper suitcase that has wheels, handles, a pulley stuff. Yeah, so let's see what's on the inside. Look on the inside, this is all the accessories that you will be getting with the ROG phone, and the ROG phone itself is in the packet here. So obviously the most important thing I want to take a look at will be the ROG phone. I really like how it's packaged all nicely, like everything has its own slot, and yeah, that's pretty cool. So let's see what's in the first box. So the ROG phone comes in a triangular, half triangle, half squarish thing kind of box, and it feels pretty much sturdy, so I'm just gonna open it up. Pretty easy to open, it's just a magnet thing, probably. This is going to be my first actual feel and touch of the ROG phone, and just looking at it from the outside, it's really quite a beautiful phone. So it's almost all pure black on the front except for these little strips or stripes, and on the back, hopefully you can see it, but I think this is like the cooling solution, so hot air can be expelled from it, your cameras, and the back really just looks very nice. Also located in the box, you have the cooler, if I'm not wrong. So this actually just connects very easily to the ROG phone. ROG phone has another USB-C port down here, and all you need to do is just clip it in. And when the phone is turned on, it will actually be able to cool the entire phone more effectively. It's actually not... It's pretty comfortable to hold it even with this there. It doesn't add much weight, so that's a plus point. Let's see what else is in the box. On the inside of this, you have the power port and also a USB-C cable, so nothing too surprising there. To be honest, the most interesting things that I actually want to take a look at are the extra accessories that are made for the ROG phone. First up, let's just go with what was right next to the ROG phone inside the suitcase, and this is the twin view dock. I'm going to be guessing that this is going to be the secondary monitor, which it is. So all you need to do is plug in the phone up here and you'll be getting a separate display on the bottom. So pretty useful if you want to, say, use your phone at the same time as gaming and stuff like that. And if you look at the back, there's actually extra buttons that you can actually program in. So for things like, say, PUBG or Fortnite, stuff like that, you can actually program it to be able to shoot, or any other type of game. These are all programmable buttons. There's also a headphone jack on the bottom, and I think I didn't mention it, but it also connects through the USB-C on the side of the ROG phone. There's also a card reader and another USB-C port on the back. Moving on, this is the mobile desktop dock, so I'm just going to get it out. For the mobile desktop dock, what it's supposed to be used for is you can actually connect this to another monitor or actually even a TV. So you can actually display whatever is supposed to be showing on your phone onto the screen, and you're getting a variety of options after you connect it. So everything from your headphone mic jacks, HDMI, DP port, Ethernet, 4 USB-A ports, a single USB-C port. On the side, you're getting another display port to connect to your laptop or anything, and also a USB micro B port along with a card reader. The entire unit actually doesn't feel very heavy, so it's probably easy to pack up and just travel around, but it is quite bulky. Now this is the ASUS WeGig display dock. Basically what this WeGig dock is that it will enable your phone to wirelessly transmit to another screen. So from just now, which is the dock which is connected and stuff like that, with this it just becomes wireless. So you can seamlessly stream your game onto a big screen if your friends or family want to watch you playing games, something like that. Since we're dealing with docks, this is the ASUS Professional dock, and this is a lot smaller. So just let me get it out. The Professional dock is a lot smaller and it's connected by USB-C. And on the dock, you're going to get another USB-C, 2 USB-A, HDMI in, and also an Ethernet jack. So that's all you're getting with this Professional dock, and this is going to be a lot more portable. So probably this is for travel, and the previous one, which is the bigger dock, that would probably be set up at home or in an office kind of thing. I'm pretty sure most of you would have seen this kind of thing running around, even from third parties or OEM, but this is specifically designed for the ROG phone. So what it does is, as you can see, there's a strip connecting the two so that you don't lose them, and you get joysticks, X, Y, B, A, and also your arrow keys here, another joystick, 4 more programmable buttons at the top. And what this essentially enables your phone to do is, you'll probably be able to add something like an Xbox controller to it. So when you're playing games, after programming all the keys in, this would make your life a lot easier, so you can aim a lot faster. And yeah, you know how controls are in mobile games. So PUBG Mobile, even aiming at an enemy takes quite a bit of work, but with this, it'll probably make it a lot easier. Last but not least, the ROG phone case. From the outside, the ROG phone case actually looked like it would be pretty thick, but holding it in my hands, and as you can see from the camera, it's actually very thin. So I'm not going to be 100% sure how much protection this will actually give to your phone, but well, you're not going to be able to find a phone case anywhere else, so I do appreciate them from sending this over also. Because, yeah, I'm kind of careless when it comes to my phones, and I do drop my phones here and there. Putting on the phone case, just slide it in. This one slides down, just clip it in. And there you go. It really doesn't add that much bulk except for the sides slightly. This so that if you drop your phone on the corners, there won't be any scratches and stuff on it, but here it is all not covered, just so that you can connect all their external accessories a lot easier. Cutouts are all perfectly aligned with the fans up, the ASUS logo, camera, and also fingerprint reader. Anyways, huge shout out to ASUS for sending over this humongous package with the obviously ROG phone and all the compatible accessories that they currently released. And yeah, this is probably the first ever phone that I'm going to be able to check out that has all these extra accessories, from a second display to docks and to even extra cooling functions on it. So yeah, this is going to be interesting. If you're a gamer torn between picking up a gaming phone, yeah, I would say that in terms of hardware, ASUS does have the upper hand, because you get a lot of different functionalities, a lot of different things that you can do with the phone, especially paired with these accessories, because like I said, you can easily connect it to a bigger screen or just let other people watch, and to stream, stuff like that, bringing it on the go. This is very easy, especially for streamers who are primarily streaming like mobile games. I think that the ASUS ROG phone paired with all these peripherals and accessories is actually going to be quite a thing because you can actually just go travel to any hotel, and as long as the Wi-Fi is good enough, you can stream off with these accessories. So yeah, let me know what you think of the ASUS ROG phone. Have you actually picked one up because it's been released for quite a while, or are you planning on picking one up, or what other options do you have that you think are good in the market currently? So remember, like and subscribe, hit the notification bell to get notified when new videos come up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ciao!